Welcome once again. This is part 1, lecture number 16. Lecture 16. You can make a note here. Last time I wrote heading for you, numerical problem for finding resultant for any number of concurrent forces. Now, further more examples. Last time question 1 over, now question 2. Dictated, simple dictation. For the given, last time I gave the question in words. This time sketch. For the given force system, given, or you can write for the given concurrent, actually not required, by looking only you can make out all forces are passing here. Okay. For the given concurrent force system, find the resultant completely over. Copy the question first. Now, first you copy the question. Those who now onwards, remember, I will not tell everything. Now onwards, up to end of the course, whenever a question is given, what you have to do is, first you have to copy the question as it is and write whatever is asked. Put one line. Then write solution. When you write solution, you have to, if a sketch is given, you have to copy the sketch question once again. Why? Otherwise, what happens is, here it is okay. Sometime we will make extra entry. Doubt will come whether it is given or not given. So once again I will tell, copy the question. Okay, copy the question. Copy it. Okay. And then, see, xx given, yy given. This point I have not named. I first thought of naming. If I put name here, it looks like 0 here. So I have not named it. So right here, let intersection of xx and yy be the point O. So everywhere, all the forces are passing to the point O. In the second time question, you write O. Okay, this is a point O. Okay, second time. Great. Now, first, resolution of forces. See, class after class, I cannot tell each and everything. I already told, this always I am telling. You study continuously everything, then it will become clear. Not suddenly come to a class and ask why cos, why sin. If they come in front of me, I will answer them. Therefore, start. Now, what all I told earlier, I will repeat only some of the concept. I will tell today's class. Next class, I will not tell, because there is a limit. Some points or principles or concepts are told more than 10-15 times. Start. First, consider 200 Newton force here. See, passing to the point O. I told repeatedly for you, with the nearest x this side, mark this angle, 60 degrees. Somebody who comes to question suddenly, he may ask in front, see, he asks me comment here, right? I will ignore the comment. Or if it's offline class, he will ask, sir, 30 given, why you wrote 60? I will tell them, is it the first class for you? Sir, last 3 class I missed. Oh, good, missed this class also. I will tell, miss this class also. My class is only for those who are serious and dedicated. How many times I told, mark the angle with the nearest x-axis, 30 means 60. I told this one. Okay, now, those who want, take a pencil. Okay, I use red color today. Take a pencil, see here. One left component, one right down component, this way. 200 cos 60, 200 sin 60. Answer I wrote to save the time. Okay, next. Consider 90 Newton force. See, from the point O, this way going. They told 25 degree here, but we want its nearest angle. If that is 25, this will be 65 degrees. So, now, if you do pencil mark, see, left and up. Pencil mark. Left 90 cos 65, up is 90 sin 65. Write the answer. Consider 100 Newton force. Oh, directly given along xx, write it as it is. Somebody may ask, sir, why, sir? Why? Because if you think directly given here, you don't write here. Later, when you go for summation, you will see all these. You will forget this one. You will forget this one. Therefore, better. Suppose you write only here. Don't write here. Then, usually what people will do, they see right hand side because answers are here. They will not see this one. So, better write. Somebody, if they laugh, let them laugh. He is writing 100 right equal to 100 right. I will tell, yes, 100 right is 100 right only. What is wrong with you? Systematic means systematic. Or if you are that much eager, right? 100 cos 0 equal to 100, 100 sin 0 equal to 0. Okay, if you are that much eager or that much curious. Now start. Consider 125 Newton force. See, 20 degree, this way it comes. Yes, correct angle, 20 degrees. Pencil mark. After some time, this pencil mark I will stop. If you going this way means right and up. Right is 125 sin 20, up is, 125 cos 20, up is 125 sin 20. Next. Consider 80 Newton. Oh, directly along vertical. Leave it. Consider 300 Newton. Oh, they told 50 degree angle here, but we want the nearest x 40 degrees. So 300 cos 40, 300 sin 40. So first perform resolution. If I explain little more, somebody will tell he is actually wasting time. Yes, correct. Start. Now, after that one, start here. This statement from next question onwards I am not giving. Last time only I told, next time not giving. Since it is second question, I thought better give once again. Next time I will take only sigma fx. I will put this way. Zigzag, zigzag line, then this one. Okay. Algebraic sum of components of all the forces along the x-axis axis means either to right or left, one of them you take positive. Completely left to your choice. You can take whatever you want, but traditionally when you sum up in the x direction, we take right side positive. If you take left side positive, what happens? That all I will explain in a special class. Okay. Right side positive. Start. Here. Minus 100 minus 38.036 plus 100 plus 117.462, not there, plus 229.813, answer will come. I already calculated there. Plus will come. Plus 309.239 Newton. Written Newton. Now, here, answer, sorry. I should not write plus, this is the final answer. I should not write here. Okay. I should write here answer only. It is plus. I told write the answer with sign. At how much? 309.239 Newton. Then write. Now, once you get the answer, I told you first, see, I told repeatedly, procedure I have given, last time explained. First write the answer without sign. First write the answer with sign. Then seeing the sign and sign convention, write the answer without sign but in correct direction. See, sigma fx, you took right side positive. We calculated net force to the right side. Answer came plus, means what direction you are calculating is correct. Therefore, it is no plus now. 309.239 Newton. It is to right side. See? Right side, correct. Last question, if you remember, we got negative sign. So what I did, I made it left side. So first question, if you remember, I will complete now. Okay, next. Algebraic sum of components of all the forces along y axis, this way, I will take upward positive. Minus 173.205 plus 81.568, this is not there, plus 42.753, plus 80 minus 192.836 Newton. That much Newton. Answer is minus 161.72 Newton, 720. That is sigma fy equal to, we took upward positive. When we found out the net force in the vertically upward direction, negative sign came. Don't write negative now, only answer. No sign, 161.72 Newton down. Little more space, okay. Down. Okay. Now, 1 minute. last class, fx, fy both came negative. So both of them, fx you took left side, fy down. This time, fx came positive, fy came negative. So fy we took down, fx right. Next question, I will set that fx will come negative, fy will come positive. So what will happen? Fx will be to left side, fy is up. Fourth question, I will see that both fx, fy will be positive. Over. All the cases are over. Then onwards, I will not waste time telling same thing again and again. Okay, now this much ready. Now you have to find the resultant. I already got the answer because to save the time, it is not a big rocket science here. So therefore, I will rub everything now. See, now I will see only these two answers. This full I am removing. Full I am removing. I will prepare the final sketch for resultant. Then I can actually, this question will be over. But only for this question, I will tell the other solution. Taking the angle from x this way, this way, this way. That is 0 to 360 degrees. You should be extremely careful. But remember, once again I will tell there, meant only for those who can understand. If those who cannot understand, difficulty is there, don't see that one. I will tell there. Those for people who got difficulty, do not see anything. You stop here. You stop here and just to see. But see, you skip the next portion. But remember, at the end I may tell something that you observe. This further you go fast forward, leave it. He will tell, he has no other work to do. We want one standard solution, we understood correctly. Who wants this other way, confusing way? See, when I solve that way, full confusion will come. Not for me, for others, or for maximum people. Okay, I'll prepare. We will continue to get magnitude and direction for the resultant force. Now, one concept. This already I told earlier, but see, that is called teacher's instinct. One who teaches, always in his mind, if he is a good teacher, what will come in the mind? Whatever I tell should be clear for them, they should understand, they should come up in their life, their structural knowledge, for me structural knowledge. Otherwise, their knowledge should improve. Because of me, if they get more and more information, what effort I am putting is worth, that feeling should come. Therefore, see, class, in the question they told, find the resultant, write it, no problem, find the resultant completely. Actually, if you are solving in exam, all not required, write completely. Now, completely means what? 1. Magnitude. 2. Direction. 3. Line of action. But he wrote just now, you write, he wrote means I wrote, magnitude and direction. He did not mention anything about line of action. Why? Because I told, this is a concurrent force system. See, first of all, I will tell you, to locate line of action, later I will be knowing it when I go to coplanar. What you require is just one point which lies in its line of action. See, when the resultant line is infinite length, you can write. See, you can write resultant like this also. Line, there is no limit. There are infinite points in a line. You need just one line. Sorry, you need just one point in that line. Tell me here. All the forces are passing through O. So resultant has to pass through the point O. Therefore, one guaranteed point is known for us. Which one? O. That's all. I told you. To locate a line of action, you need only one point. Y means, let me finish concurrent. When I go to coplanar, there you have to locate the line of action. That point is not known. So I will explain very thoroughly there what is the meaning of that line of action. Right now, believe me. Okay. So still I wrote here, see, for your satisfaction. Since given force system is a concurrent force system, where all forces pass through point O, resultant R will also pass through the same point O. That will take care of the line of action. Over. Now, see, as usual, XX, okay, XX, YY, not required. See here. Through the point O, sigma fx, we got right side 309.239. No minus plus sign now. Sigma fy, we got down, no minus sign. 161.72. Resultant will pass this way. Angle is alpha x. I wrote here, let R be the magnitude and alpha x be the angle as shown in the figure. See, which angle? Nearest horizontal. Okay, angle is over. Okay, now we have R equal to root of sigma fx square plus sigma fy square. Sigma fx square, 309.239 square plus 161. Someone will ask, sir, some more terms are there. Which one? Sir, plus 2 P1 P2 cos theta. No, it is not there because when we resolve into two mutually perpendicular axes, theta becomes 90 degrees. Therefore, only Pythagoras theorem, only fx square plus fy square. Substitute, you get the answer. Alpha x, tan inverse of. Repeatedly I told, angle alpha is measured with x. When you measure angle alpha with x, tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent. When you measure with x, horizontal, opposite is vertical. So this repeatedly I told, it is sigma fy by sigma fx. Substitute, you get 27.608 degrees. Now, what I will do is, I will present the answer. Where I present the answer? 1 minute now. Some space required for me. Okay, I'll present somewhere here. Now only I'll present it. Because then I am going for other part. Okay, just a minute. This all I'll remove now. See, this full I am removing. Everything removed. Right here. See, somewhere here. Therefore, final answer. Resultant for given concurrent force system is as shown below. How? Mark the x axis, mark the y axis, intersection point is O. See, this is XX, this is YY. 1 minute, let me see the camera once. Okay, no problem. This is to safeguard. After the class is over, if I come to no problem, see, resultant, you can see, not that you should, see, you start from, you can start from here also. The arrow mark important. Very sorry. 348.973 Newton. This angle is, where is it? 27.608. I rubbed it wrong, but I know the answer. See, the answer is there. 27 point, I already noted the answer. 608 degrees. You can write a note here. R is the magnitude. This 27.608 will give the direction. Line of action is already fixed here. This is the final answer as per our traditional solution. Remember, this is right here. Result by traditional and easiest way, and that is how now onwards always you consider this way solution. That is what way I told just now. That way only solve. Never go for adventure. Never go for adventure. Okay, now all over. This I will remove. Do one thing. Now remember. Now, question is still there. Now, only for those who can understand. Otherwise, leave it. Understand. Because some places they do it, but the problem is they will make some mistake somewhere. This I will explain separately. Only for those who understand. That is, in the bracket, right, if you have capacity to understand. You should not tell, sir has not explained properly, because no, it is meant for those who can understand. If you cannot understand, don't go for it. See, some such complications, actually not complication, confusion will be there now. Not for me, there will be confusion. Doubts will come. Why that way? Then don't do it. I told, no, in the class I will ask, do you want? No, sir, they will tell. Why? Sir, everything is clear, sir. Perfect procedure, crystal clear concept. Who wants all these unwanted things? I told, instead of measuring the angle with nearest x, suppose you stick to angle from OX permanently like this, what happens? Okay, now remember, this I explained last time also. Again, last time I wrote, only for those who understand. If you remember, in the beginning, answer did not tally. I was making mistake. Cos 180, I took 0, if you remember. That's why I got not tension. Two times I got wrong answer. But I was not worried because I know some calculation mistake. Then I corrected it. Means, once I slowly calculated, I got the answer. Okay, now, right here. Here what you will do is, whatever you write here, see, this last time done, today I am doing, and right, next time onwards, no, I am not doing it. Because if you do this way, when you go to coplanar force system, when you want to moment calculation, etc., Verigno's theorem, all, there will be confusion. No, better, it is not advisable. Therefore, today I will stop this extra, that is software type. That is, in the software what they will do, they will take always angle like this, see, right. What you do is, whatever way force given, you, right here, you take the force, see, with the positive x direction, this is your positive y direction, okay. Take the force P, consider counterclockwise angle, here this way, this is your theta. Force P should be outgoing or going away, and theta should be in the counterclockwise direction. Make a note here. Okay, then this question, you have to rewrite it now. See, therefore, the given question I will rewrite. Again, I told unwanted part. See here, I will rewrite here. Positive x, positive y, okay, positive y, okay, positive Hamilton, okay, that's not a problem. Y, see, one force is incoming, right here, no problem. It can be incoming, nothing to worry. I will tell you later. Write the question as it is, whatever force, see, whatever given, some will tell, sir, no sir, we do not want this one. Yes, don't go for it. $200 Newton, 90 Newton, 100 Newton, where should I write? Here, okay. 100 Newton, 125 Newton, 80 Newton, 300 Newton. Okay, now mark the angle this way. Oh, still 90. Go that side. I want more space. I will tell 90. You go that side. Why? I want more space. 200 also. Go that side. Space problem. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. One more is there. See. Positive x. Start. 30 degree means 60 degrees. 90 plus 25, 115 degrees. For which one here? For this force, I will write here 115 degrees. This anybody can tell. 180 degrees. 180 plus another 20, 200 degrees. This is 270, everybody knows. 270 plus another 50, 320. 320 degrees. Or you can do one thing. If it is 50, this is 40, 360 minus 40, 320 degrees. Okay, right. Make a note here. Yes, we fulfilled this condition. But still, one pending. All the forces should be outgoing. What you have to do is, some of the forces are incoming are there. No problem. You want every force to be going away. So whichever force is going away, you take positive. Whichever force is going, which is coming towards the point, you take negative. Therefore, see here, 200 is, no, it is not going away. It is this way. So for this one, 200, I'll write here, not there. Not there. That is given question. For 200 Newton, 95 okay. No problem. 100 also problem. See here. 100 problem. Because it is incoming. We want outgoing. 125 also problem. 80 also problem. But 300 outgoing. For rounded one, which are all incoming given, you should take, either you should extend this 200 this side and calculate the angle, or let it be there, substitute the force negative. Do not bother left side, right side. See here, someone will tell, sir, 125 has got right side component, sir. You take negative. No. The trigonometric function will take care. I told outgoing is positive, incoming is negative. Therefore, right here, sigma fx equal to, sign convention is what? Always it is right side positive. See, our convention is, see this way, right side positive, here upward positive, here right side positive. Right side positive is, start, 200 is coming this way, minus 200 cos, minus 200 cos 60, then plus 90, okay. 90 cos 115, then 100 is this way, negative, minus, not minus, plus only, plus minus 100 cos 180, 80, minus, plus minus 125 cos 200 plus minus 80 cos 270, lastly plus 300 cos 320. Calculate. My guarantee it will come plus 309.239 Newton. My guarantee. Okay. I will better check it once. Only today. Next time all I won't do all these things. Okay. I know it will come. Last time, see, same thing happened. Somewhere I made a mistake. I will be careful this time. Okay. Minus 200 into cos 60 plus 90 into cos 115. That is not required. That's it. Last time I told not required. That is a mistake. Cos 180 is minus 1 equal to minus 100 into cos 180 minus 125 into cos 200 equal to minus 80 into cos 270 equal to plus 300 into cos, cancel, go into cos 320 plus 260. Again some calculation problem. Where is the mistake? Plus 300 into cos 320. I don't know where is the mistake. Once again, 1 minute. Minus 200 into cos 60, correct? 200 cos 60, correct? Okay. Plus 90 into cos 115, that's also correct. Minus 100 into cos 180, perfect. Okay. Then minus 125. Where is 125? Oh, here, minus 125 into cos 200, that is okay. Then minus 80 into cos 270, perfect, 79. Then why is, I think somewhere calculation mistake, plus 300 into cos, how much? 320. Coming, yes, see, coming, some 309.2392, perfectly correct. Okay, because see, you remember this calculation mistake is, I am also a human being. I got limitation. Technical mistake I will not make. That is guaranteed. Okay, next. Don't put that is all. Sigma Fy upward positive equal to, start once again, same way here. You don't have to see. Minus 200, bracket here. Minus 200 instead of cos sin 60. Same thing repeat. Plus 90 sin 115. All cos you make sin, that's all. All cos you make sin, forces will be same. Outgoing is positive, incoming negative. Sin 115, then plus minus 100 sin 180 plus minus 125 sin 200. But someone will tell, sir, no sir, we do not want sir. Okay, cos by mistake copying. See, sin 270. This I will check today. Last time I not checked. Plus 300 sin 320. I will check this also today because at least to be safer side. Okay. Minus 200 into cos 60, not cos, see, again mistake, see. Minus 200 into sin 60 equal to plus 90 into sin 115. Why I am putting equal? Because otherwise I have to close the bracket in the new calculator. Then minus 100 into sin 180 minus 125 into sin 200 equal to, I think something I went wrong here. Okay, let me see. Minus 80 into sin 270 equal to plus 300 into sin 320. Minus 161.721. 721 came. Last time I got 720, 721, 0.001. 1 rupee in 1,61,700 rupees. In a transaction of nearly 1.5 to 2 lakhs transaction, 1 rupee difference. Someone will tell, okay, leave it, sir. Okay, say minus 161.721. But still, I'll get same answer. I want the same answer. Minus 161.72 Newton. Okay. Now see what to do. Now, okay, this I will remove now. Okay, this I will remove. I will come back here now. I will close the question. See, this always somewhere I put the rubbing paper, then forget where I kept it. This all I can eliminate if I go for detailed board. Now see. Therefore, here. Therefore, resultant are equal to, now remember sign is required. See, you don't write that is right side, that is left, you don't write here. Everything software will take care. Is sigma fx square plus, see, here you require sign convention equal to root of, how much it is? Plus, earlier all we don't put sign, 309.239 square plus minus 161.72 square equal to, why calculate, plus 348.973 plus 348.973 Newton. And your angle alpha x, how alpha x? See, alpha x is how? Where resultant you are marking here. See, where resultant is there. This is your alpha x. Alpha x equal to tan inverse of sigma fy by sigma fx equal to tan inverse of sigma fy is minus 161.72 divided by other one is how much? Sigma fx plus 309.239 equal to, it will give negative sign for you this time, it will give minus, it answer only 27.608, remember, then put or one answer. How? I told, if negative answer comes, write one more answer, minus 27.608 plus 180. This I told earlier. Whatever you get, add 180. 152.392 degrees. 152.392 degrees. Okay, now remember, I will remove this one and put the answer. Okay, see. Therefore, resultant will be here. This is a point O right here. Therefore, resultant will be as shown below. See here, this is your positive x direction. 348.973 Newton. Now, it should be outgoing force. Very important. But very important, don't write this way because it is the sum of the square of the root. Negative cannot come. Or what you have to remember is, see, you have to make a note there. Sigma fx is right side. Now you should know it. Sigma fy is negative down. So resultant will come this way. That observation required. So resultant, you see, long line. This is the resultant R equal to 348.973 Newton angle with positive x direction. In anti-clockwise direction, it is making minus 27.608 means it is not anti-clockwise, it is clockwise of 27.608 degrees is this answer. Or it is making anti-clockwise of how much? 152.392 degrees. Check the answer. If this is 90, you add, if this is 90, okay. If this is 27.608, see, this also is 27.608. So this angle will be 180 minus this angle. Oh, both are one thing. See here, you see, if you want, in the original last time answer, you see what is this answer. How much? If this is 27, this is also 27. So this will be 153.92, or see, if it is that way, then this angle will become 27.608 degrees. Therefore, correct. What you got, but this observation you have to make. Blindly you can't take, because irrespective of negative or positive, your resultant will always come plus. Don't think that way. You have to see its direction. Software resultant is not required. It wants only component forces. Or then see, last time I will ask the question. Imagine you are in front of me. Do you want that systematic way I told earlier, or some mix-up angle, outgoing positive, incoming negative, angle theta like this? No, sir. People will tell, we do not want this, sir. Okay, therefore, now remember, this alternate solution, goodbye. Goodbye. Next time onwards, I am not considering, or last time question and today's question, you see only traditional solution. Last time I told, after everything is over, only for those who are interested, stop it. Today also, earlier only stop. Understand, if you are, anyway, someone will tell, sir, I got capacity. Okay then, if you got capacity, tell me. I can go further more complication later. Then you will tell, no, sir. See, I will tell you, if you got capacity, I will tell sometimes, you give me a portal frame. Portal frame. Put some loading. Non-sway, sway, both are required. How much time you require for solving? Sir, around half an hour, 45 minutes, fast if I do. I will tell, I got inner principle analysis. I can solve this one with the full complication in 2 to 3 minutes. And some of the frames, some conditions are there. Both are pinned or some only one eccentric load all, sway, non-sway, both are there. I can solve it in 15-20 seconds. How? Some tricks are there. Then they will tell, sir, teach us. No, it is not for you. Beyond your capacity. You reach my level, okay, then you think of it. Then you will tell, okay, sir, I forget it now. Thank you. These extra things I tell for fun only. It is outside the class. Don't think I am making time class. You should know, first of all, that you are learning. Okay, thank you.